Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fan-made Pokémon cards. First, decide on your Pokémon, its type, and a realistic HP value, perhaps around 60 to 180. Next, brainstorm unique attack names, their damage output, and the energy required. Finally, find a high-quality blank Pokémon card template online. This initial planning ensures your custom card feels authentic and balanced within the game's universe. It's a fun way to bring your creative ideas to life. Now let's focus on the visual appeal. You'll need compelling artwork for your Pokémon. This could be an original drawing, a digital creation, or even a carefully selected image you have permission to use. Integrate your chosen artwork into the template, then add all the necessary text: the Pokémon's name, abilities, and any flavor text. Pay close attention to font styles and sizes to match official cards, making your creation look professional. Once your design is perfect, it's time to print. Use a good quality cardstock, ideally around 100 to 120 pounds, for a sturdy feel. A printer with excellent color accuracy is crucial to ensure your artwork and text pop. After printing, carefully cut out your card. Precision is key here. A sharp craft knife and a cutting mat will help you achieve clean, straight edges, giving your fan-made card a professional finish. To protect your masterpiece and give it an authentic feel, consider laminating your card. A thin, clear laminate sheet will add durability and a nice glossy finish, similar to official cards. Then, slide your finished card into a protective sleeve, like those used for trading card games, to prevent wear and tear. This final step ensures your fan-made Pokémon card can be enjoyed for a long time. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.